Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to quickly talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple and my thoughts on what's currently happening with Bitcoin and how further we can go, because I have two things that I definitely think that could definitely cause us to go lower. Potential three areas that we could bottom out for going higher. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and other than that we'll get straight into the video. Now on Bitcoin, I just want to quickly talk about Bitcoin. Now we have, like I've been talking about on this channel, we have been talking about how this 21-week EMA has been quite important. The fact that if we're trading above it, it usually means a bull market, and if we're trading below it, it indicates a bear market. And currently, as we see here, did get a candle a bit above 21-week EMA, and currently we are trading below it quite significantly. So the things that has to hold is we must get a candle above to still be classified historically as a bull market. However, it could be different this time, could maybe not. I don't think it's the end of the bull market. I do feel like we have a lot further to go. However, areas that I'll be looking at, one that's already acting as support for us is this 53,000 mark. This is the February low that we made back in February. Currently it's acting as support for us. We've just got bounce off of it, and if we do break this, the level that we could be seeing a retracement to, because currently we have an empire fractal, and these are very bearish patterns, and this can lead to, well, these are very bearish, and what this could lead to is a retracement back down to 30,000 to retest this EMA ribbon on the monthly candle. If this is the case, this will probably meet up with each other around 30,000, and this is probably a good area where we'll find support, because if we look back at the weekly and go into the EMA ribbons, this is at the bottom of the EMA ribbon area, so we could see the low around the 30,000 before we're getting bounce off of it. However, we also have this other support level around about 36,000 where Elon Musk bought in, so we have to also take that into account, because this is quite a super strong support for us. So as long as we're holding above this level as well, this will be very good for Bitcoin. What I want to talk about Ethereum is, well, we have been calling on this channel what Ethereum's been doing, and it's just this rising wedge that's formed, and that I have been talking about, if you look at my old videos, how Ethereum needs a retracement. Ethereum's been going up in a straight line. Yeah, it needed a retracement, and currently we're getting one, and I haven't accumulated anymore. Like I said, I'll be accumulating around the 3,000 to 2,900 area. However, currently this is looking very bearish. We have broken this symmetrical triangle, well, this support line here, should I say, not a symmetrical triangle, and currently we are fighting on this quite key significant support level around 3,400. If we break below this, we could be retesting these lows again. These lows kind of come from this support that we got here, about 3,180. Break below this, we will be seeing us hitting the price target of this falling wedge that we've been talking about on this channel, being 3,087, and what I would personally be accumulating, probably around, putting an order around this level, because this could be the bottom for it. However, I'll be putting big sums of like purchases, most likely around 3,000 to 2,900. However, I will also be looking around Bitcoin, because as long as Bitcoin's holding strong, or is finding some kind of one of our price targets that we've been talking about, hitting one of them, I would only consider buying the coin, because if we haven't hit that and we're hitting these levels, it's most likely that Ethereum will go lower, because Ethereum has been taking hits ever since Bitcoin dumping, and as long as we are hitting one of these price targets, say the 53,000 or the 30,000 or 36,000, when we hit these levels that we've been talking about accumulating, then will it only be acceptable for me personally to be buying into. Now, if I take the Fibonacci, we can also see from the swing low about 1,300 to the all-time high. We can see that we're currently getting also some kind of bounce at the golden ratio, which is acting as support. And if we do break below this level right here, I can see us probably going back and retesting this 2,800 level. If Bitcoin is still dumping at these levels that we have been talking about, and that's where I will be looking to accumulate even more around Ethereum, because Ethereum is a very strong project. Don't get me, I think there's a lot of potential for this, and I don't think this is over for Ethereum. It's only just the beginning. Now, I want to quickly talk about Ripple. We have been talking about this triangle that's been forming for Ripple on our channel, and it's probably better if we just readjust this a bit so it's more like this. I do feel like still this is a very bullish pattern. I have been talking about this on my channel. I have said that this is a very bullish scenario for Ripple, and I do think that we are going to hit this price target of $2.80 for Ripple, and I do think that it's still a good time to be accumulating. We're still in the pattern, we haven't broken out of it yet. Most likely we will probably get one last retest of this support before breaking above it. We might not, we might just shoot straight away from here up like this before getting a retest maybe. But other than that, that's all I wanted to quickly talk about. Cardano is still looking good. As long as we're not breaking below the $2 mark, then it's fine. We got a retest and getting support from it. If Cardano gets a retest of this all-time high, gets confirmation that's now acting as support, I think we'll be going to new all-time highs for it. And SXP is still looking very good as well. It's actually holding very well right now against all these other coins. Other than that, that's all I want to say. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.